Hi, Stuart Barn here, and this is video 4 in this series on the major blues scale. Today we're doing shape number 4. So here is an A major chord, shape number 4. So there's one that looks like an open A, A shape 4. And here is the A major pentatonic scale first. Now, to make that into a blues scale, we have to the major blues scale, we have to add in the flat 3 note, which was one of the minor pentatonic notes. It is here, here. So here is the major blues scale. There is a link in the notes below if you need them. And again, we can use this in two ways, in passing and with emphasis. In passing for a jazzy sound, with emphasis to create tension. So we need to know where this note is, and we need to spend a bit of time experimenting with phrases to get comfortable using it in that way. So here's my A major chord. I'll do those examples now. So in passing. Now in emphasis. You get the idea. As usual, play in different keys, different areas of the fretboard, and just clock up time getting comfortable and familiar with this pattern. I hope you found the video helpful. Please give it a thumbs up if you did and click subscribe if you haven't, and feel free to share. See you in the next video.